Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Ceejay Zaira and it's day 12 or 21 days learning how to skate journey with us. And what's today called, Zara?
Canon ball and jump.
That's right, cannon ball and jump. But you know what we've got to do first? Warm up.
Let's get ready. Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. Up. This time. Move on your muscle. Get ready your quadriceps and all, because today is going to be fun but intense as well. Okay, scissor. V-shape. Now, side, side. And down, up. Okay. Down. Big move up, and you can touch the floor. Okay, now knee, chest, 1, 2, and get the hips ready. Now let's try to the side, side, side. Open, but you can't open so much. Just keep going. Don't try to do what you can do. And some squat here, just breathing. Get ready, power muscle, eight. 5 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now over here, and the same. 1, 2, 3. Keep going, and 5 more, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the last thing I'm going to try to do is open here in our V-shape and try to activate our adductors. The side muscle of our legs. So out
Activate your pterodactyls, the dinosaur bones.
and for this move, make sure that you're activating your abs as well to control this move. Out and in. Out and in. You don't need to do such a big move, just a little bit where you can feel your inside legs. And keep your body straight. Body straight. Okay, press the start.
Okay, guys, all I gotta say is please put safety gear on for this one, okay?
Don't be
Because
like me.
we're taking you out of your comfort zone a little bit. Okay, so put your safety gear on, get those wrist guards, make sure you're protected. Because today we're going to be doing cannonballs. And yeah, we're going to be doing cannonballs, which is stage 1 to a move called shoot the duck, okay? And don't shoot the real ducks. And second, it will be bunny hops, okay, which is a squeeze, a little jump. So let's start with the cannonball, which is this when you're going low. This is as low as I can go because I'm still trying to get used to going low on my inlines, okay? But you want to go down as low as possible. Just give an example as low as you can go.
This is the outside move.
This is Zara doing it compared to me. Low. How low can you go? Okay? So that's what you want to be doing. That's what you want to aim for, that low. But if you can't, it's okay. You can go for my low, which is this here.
Don't
Okay?
rush.
Right. And what we're doing is bringing ourselves down. So when we're doing that, what we want to do for now is make sure our hands are out, okay? Because we don't want to fall and end up in the dentist because our tooth falling out. So You want to have your feet in a slight V shape if you're on, when I say V shape, just for now while we're doing this bit, and you want to just bring yourself down as low as you can, and as you can see, I'm not doing this, I'm trying to keep my body in a line with my feet, okay? And I'm trying to come down as low as I can.
And to be able to go low, you have to open your hips. So once you're here, you have to slightly go out with your knees to be able to put your hips on your hips. So if you are doing like this, it's going to be impossible to go down. You have to open and let your hip go down like this.
Exactly.
Keep your back straight.
Alright? And also, one tip I would like to say with me when I'm doing it is I like to try and push the weight, even though I'm going down and a lot of my weight is on my heel, I try to reach for some of the weight to go to my feet, my toes. Do you do the same? Yeah, see? And that's what you want to do, okay? So now, we're just going to go up and down a couple of times, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go down. These squats come in handy. Now bring it back up, okay? If you need to hold on to something, we have a bar here for me to show you. You can hold on to it. And let's do it, go down again. 3, 2, 1, go down. As low as you can, and bring it up.
As much as you practice, you're going to get more flexibility in your calf.
Yeah.
Yes, because this is also what you need is have your calf flexible enough to be able to bend down and sit on your heels.
Exactly. So, when you're doing this, you might find that you fall back. If you do, make sure you this is why I say get your safety equipment, because you should have your wrist guards on. If you are falling back, you're just going to go onto your bum and your hands, okay? You've got your wrist guards. They're there. Weight onto your wrist, onto your bum. Boom, boom. Okay? Nice and easy.
Try to save that fall.
Save it. You don't want to do this and try and stand up and do that, okay? You don't want to, because that's an earthquake. And we don't want that. A lot of people do this, they go down, oh no, and then they drop. That's bad. Just when you're here, you're going to fall, just fall, you're close. It's the easiest way.
Yeah, try the same with your hands, with your arms, using all your muscle of your upper body.
And also, even if you're doing it this way and you're going to fall forwards, you're low. Just go down like we've taught you, okay? We've taught you how to go down, just go down. Don't try and bring yourself up, just to end up falling down, because you're going to hurt yourself. Alright. So now, we've done the safety bit, let's just try and do it with a little bit of movement. So what we're going to do, we're going to go 1, 2, 3 with small steps, which is the basic steps, which is to get your momentum going. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then on 4, we're going to go down, and then come up. Okay? So down and up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down and bring yourself up. There we go. Try that one more time. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Down and up. There we go. And then once you've got that, make sure when you're down, that you can track your muscles as well here, because you want to help that keep your balance, okay? Once you've got it, and you practiced it a lot, you can do it with a bit more speed, which Zaira's going to show you now on the quads, and then I'll do one whiz and pass on the inlines. Yeah, and this is medium speed, so remember, it's okay if you can't get all the way down, you can still hit the cannonball, okay?
The more you control the move, try to go down and go up faster.
Yeah, because you need to also get used to going down, the movement of going down, but also lifting your weight up to bring yourself up again, okay? Which is the hardest part.
So, get that squats.
Work on those squats, yes. Zaira, you're making us do it for no reason, okay? There's a reason for all of this.
There is a reason.
Alright, so that's how you do the cannonball. Now, we've got bunny hops. Which I'm playing bunny hops because we only teach you the basics, the absolute basics, so you can do a little hop, okay? We don't want you doing no big radical jumps or anything like that because we're not there yet. So the bunny hop, all you're going to be doing is this. Okay? I know it sounds like an earthquake, but it is a bunny hop. So what we're going to be doing on this is, first, want to make sure our hands are out, and knees are bent, and we're in that same position of how we start everything. And all we're going to be doing is we're going to take a little bend, so like a mini squat, and then just a lift. So at first, if your feet don't come off the floor, that's fine. You just want to practice that whole motion, keeping your body straight. So when you're bent, your head is above your knee, your toes. When you jump, you're in the same position. Head is above your toes. Okay, you're not leaning here, you're not there. You're in the same position. That's it. Exactly. Okay, so we're going to practice that again. 1, 2, 3, down and little jump. Down and little jump. Down and little jump. If you are going to drop when you jump and you go forwards, remember, you've got your knee pads and your wrist guards for a reason. Down. Okay, absorbed. Take the impact, don't make a mess of it.
And make sure that when you land in the same position that when you started the jump. Don't be stiff, because then when you injure your knees and you can't.
That's it. Once you've jumped, you need to absorb it, okay?
Come back again.
So there's always a bend. The knees are your suspension. Okay. So now we've got that. Let's try and do it with a little bit of movement. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, down, jump. Okay? Let's do that a couple of times. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, down. Okay? And once you've done the jump, you come down and you bend. Okay? It's key. If you don't bend, you're going to be stiff and you're most likely going to go backwards. And we don't want that. One more time. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, down. There we go. I'm not going to do too much more because I know you lot will get carried away. We're going to keep it there. Practice that. Don't go any further. Practice that until we're ready to show you more.
And on the lines, I forgot to say, be careful, don't jump with your inside edge.
Yeah.
Try to be always in the middle of the width. Put your weight in the middle of the width.
Okay? So that's your homework. Get practicing and don't go any further.
So much.
Let's do a warm down. So
Warm down and cool down. It's the same.
warm down, cool down. Drop it down low. I don't know, but anyway, let's go.
Breathe. Exhale, slow. You can practice this as much as you can, but don't destroy yourself. Take it easy.
Easy.
Go back to the back. Release. Okay, we're going to the floor today. Stretch your legs. Try to keep your back straight. And try to go close as much as you can with your belly to your legs. Keep there for a while. Bend your knees to your chest. Keep your back straight. It's going to help to your posture, not the skating moves.
Yes.
And try to go down and you will stretch more. If you can, you can keep your legs bent and still keep up.
I am trying, guys.
Go up. And now one leg straight, the other bent, and you notice heel to glute, quadriceps, and push with your hips forward to feel more the pressure in your quadriceps, while the pressure is stretching. And keep your support with this arm. Be careful not to go so far, just in the same line your shoulder, elbow, and wrist. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale slow, feel the stretch. And we're going to switch with the other foot. Heel to glute. Push your hip forward.
guys, I hope you had a bit of fun on that one. And remember, take it easy, don't overdo it. You don't want no one hurting themselves. Okay, this was just a little treat. Just
because you go
you
to
deserve
here,
it.
so
For hitting hard,
you made so far.
that's it. For getting halfway, we thought we'd give you a little treat there. So anyway, guys, thank you very much for joining us today.
Yeah.
It's been amazing. You lot are amazing. You did great, and we'll see you tomorrow with more fun.
Bye.
Bye bye.